Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo Ideapad. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Lenovo Ideapad won't turn on, you're not alone. This can happen for various reasons, such as a faulty battery, a damaged power supply, or even internal hardware issues. If left unresolved, this problem can lead to further damage, making repairs more complicated and costly. To begin with, you will need a few tools, a screwdriver set, a plastic spudger, tweezers, and an anti-static wrist strap to avoid any static damage. First, ensure your device is powered off and unplugged. Start by removing the screws from the back panel. Be careful with the different screw sizes, remember where each one goes. Use a plastic spudger to gently pry open the back panel, taking care not to damage the clips. Once the panel is removed, locate the battery and power connector. This is often the culprit behind power issues. Disconnect the battery carefully by unclipping the connector. If your battery appears swollen or damaged, it will need replacing. Next, remove the battery by unscrewing it from its position. Take note of the screw types and apply the correct amount of force when loosening them to avoid stripping. With the battery removed, check the power connector for any signs of damage. If the connector looks worn, consider replacing it too. When installing the new battery, simply reverse the removal process. Ensure all connections are secure and properly seated. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once everything is back in place, carefully reattach the back panel, ensuring it fits snugly without forcing it. Finally, reconnect your device to power and attempt to turn it on. If it powers up, congratulations! You've successfully repaired your Lenovo Ideapad. To prevent this issue from recurring, make sure to regularly check the health of your battery and avoid using your laptop in extreme temperatures. Proper care can prolong the life of your device. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.